Welcome back to our class. So today we are going to be looking at punctuated equilibrium and gradualism. So we are going to compare the two and see where do they differ. Don't forget to subscribe if it is your first time to visit our channel. And don't forget to like our video. So if you look at these two diagrams, one is showing a punctuated equilibrium and then another one is showing gradualism. Gradualism, it shows that a species change gradually. They change gradually over a great period of time. There is no rush in the changing. They change from this point to this point, but the change is gradual. It is not fast. It's just a gradual change. From this point, you see that this rat is trying to change to another color and then to a lighter color and then a very light color or bright color. And then if you look at this, still is the same. It shows that there is a gradual change from this point to this point. It didn't happen just in a single event. It happened over a long period of time, over many generations. That is gradualism. While in punctuated equilibrium, you see that the rat started from here. Yes, it's the same as this. So it keeps the same for a long period of time. But this rat is the same which gave rise to this. Yes, so when it reached here, suddenly, yes, within a short period of time, it changed from this color to this color. So when it was here, it changed from this to this immediately without a long period of time. So in punctuated equilibrium, it shows like maybe a mutation occurred and then the organism changes rapidly within a short period of time and then becomes like this, from this point to this point immediately. And then it remains like that for a long period of time. Or when it reached here, it changed from this color and then went to this color, just within a short period of time. While if you look at this, from this color to this color, it took a long period of time for it to change from this point to this point. And also took a long period of time to change from this to this. So if you compare this route and then you compare from here to here, this one shows that it's just a very short period of time. It happened, it changed within a very short period of time, while this one took a long period of time. The same story here, it shows that this rat just changed within a short period of time. It became like this. If you compare it with this, so it took a long period of time. So gradualism, in actual sense, gradualism require a long period of time for it to happen, while punctuated equilibrium requires a very short period of time for it to happen. And then gradualism, it is gradual, while this one, it has some periods of no change and then periods of rapid change. Periods of no change, if you look at it, and then periods of rapid change. So it has a period of no change and then has a period of rapid change. So that is what we call gradualism and punctuated equilibrium. Let's look at it. Saying that it explains this punctuated equilibrium, it explains the speed at which evolution takes place. At which speed is evolution taking place? So we are saying that evolution involves long periods of time, where the species does not change or change gradually through natural selection. This is known as equilibrium. So if you look at it, it is from this point to this point. It's the same period of no change. It is just the way it is. Or we can say a period of it's just gradually through natural selection. Gradually, this is the gradually through natural selection. Period of no change. They're talking about this. We are talking from this point to this point, from this point to this point, because these rats are the same. They are the same. They are not changing. But if you look at gradually through natural selection, then this is the period you are talking about, or this is the period you are talking about. So during this period, yes, we call it equilibrium. And then we are saying that this alternates it has period of no change. It alternates. This alternates with what you call punctuated. That is short periods of time, short periods of time where rapid changes occur. This is through natural selection, during which new species may form in a short period of what? In a short period of time. So we are seeing that from this point to this point, rapid change happens. Yes, it could be also as a result of what? Natural selection, but species form within a short period of what? Within a short period of time. Basically, that is what we call punctuated equilibrium and gradualism. Gradualism, you find out that organisms, they take a long period of time before they change, while punctuated equilibrium takes a short period of time. There is a long period of no change, and then rapid change. Long period of no change or rapid change. They can ask you a question. Explain how did the tiger came up with stripes using gradualism or using punctuated equilibrium. So in this case, for when you explain in terms of punctuated equilibrium, you have to bring the there was a rapid change. You have to include the spots became bigger and then became stripes within a short period of time. So there was just a short period of time, then these tigers with spot became stripes. And then for gradualism, you have to tell us a long period of time. Took a long period of time before these tigers came up with the stripes. Let's look at artificial selection. What is, because we have